Have you ever wondered what lies in the deepest part of our planet? A place where sunlight has never reached. A place so deep that Mount Everest could fit inside it and still be covered by water? Welcome to the mysterious world of the Mariana Trench, the deepest known point in Earth's oceans. Located in the western Pacific Ocean, this underwater trench stretches for over 2,500 kilometers and reaches a mind-blowing depth of nearly 11,000 meters. To put that into perspective, if you dropped Mount Everest into the Mariana Trench, its peak would still be more than a kilometer underwater. But what makes this place even more fascinating is not just its depth, it's what lives down there. At such extreme depths, the pressure is over 1,000 times greater than at sea level. Imagine the weight of 50 jumbo jets pressing down on your body. That's the kind of pressure found at the bottom of this trench. Temperatures are freezing, and sunlight cannot penetrate beyond 1,000 meters, meaning this world exists in complete darkness. And yet, life finds a way. Strange and mysterious creatures have evolved to survive in this harsh environment. One such creature is the ghostly-looking Dumbo octopus, named after its ear-like fins that resemble Disney's flying elephant. Unlike surface-dwelling octopuses, the Dumbo octopus thrives in the crushing depths, gracefully swimming through the darkness. Then there's the terrifying yet fascinating anglerfish, equipped with a glowing lure on its head that it uses to attract prey in the pitch-black waters. But humans have also dared to explore this underwater abyss. In 1960, two brave explorers, Jacques Piccard and Don Walsh, became the first humans to reach the deepest point of the Mariana Trench, known as the Challenger Deep. Their journey into the darkness opened a new chapter in ocean exploration. Decades later, even Hollywood filmmaker James Cameron made a solo dive to the bottom of the trench in 2012, becoming one of the very few people in history to witness this alien-like world firsthand. During these missions, scientists discovered that despite the extreme pressure and darkness, life still exists, from tiny microorganisms to unique deep-sea species never seen before. The Mariana Trench remains one of the least explored places on Earth. In fact, we know more about the surface of the moon than we do about the depths of our own oceans. Who knows what secrets still lie hidden beneath the crushing pressure and eternal darkness? Could there be new species waiting to be discovered? Or perhaps unknown ecosystems that challenge everything we know about life on Earth? One thing is certain, the ocean is full of mysteries, and the Mariana Trench is one of its greatest. So the next time you look out at the vast ocean, remember that beneath those calm waves lies a world more mysterious than outer space itself. Subscribe to World Uncovered and join us as we continue to explore the unknown.